mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how I win. I stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. From red days to green days, as part of the climb, it's a marathon, hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green as a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold.
Alrighty, I need to get some coffee. So I got bad news, guys. I got real bad news. That account I had gone, just straight up like that. But I got me a funded challenge, and I'm just gonna use that to get funded. Instead of keep using my money, I'm gonna go ahead and use the try to pass this challenge account that I have with FTMO and just try to do what I can do there and try to stick to my rules, because what I did was horrible. I was doing so good too, man. I ain't gonna lie, I was doing so well, bro. Like, I was doing so well, everything was working out in my favor, you know what I mean? And boom, it hit me. But you know, it is what it is. I'm not really mad about it. It's just something I gotta learn from it. But I know I'm good. I know I have the skill set. So it's not the skill set. It's the it's always gonna be the risk management, over trading, and revenge trading for me. It's not the skill set. So the skill set is actually pretty good. I'm actually really good at getting and making profit. But what I was doing off stream. What I was doing off stream is I wasn't really marking up the chart. I was just basically saying, okay, it can come up here, boom, I get in and I lose. I wasn't patiently waiting for that entry. I was just getting in, and that's where I messed up. That's why I messed up. But you know, it's things that I still have to learn, but it's not my skill set, so I can. If I just follow my rules and follow my skill set and do what I got to do with that, and stop risking and stop over trading and stop revenge trading, I can be the best trader there is. So, you know, I'm gonna try to pass this funded account, this funded challenge. I'm gonna try to pass it, and boom, you know, I pass it, I get 10K, can't lose 5%. Is it 5%? No, I can't lose 10%, I think, yeah, I can't lose 10%. So I just gonna have to risk 50 to make 100 and work my way up, or risk 50 to make more, who knows? So, that's enough of me talking. Let's get into it. Let's look at the daily first. I'm not really looking at the weekly. I already know what the weekly looking like. Okay, I can see price coming up here, probably pushing up here. I can see that. We'll go to the 4 hour. Yep. I wonder if price is going to come down, or it might just continue pushing up without pulling back. So I'm trying to see where is the best time to get in. Let me see. Okay, price rejected off of this line right here. So this is considered a nice rejection zone. So what I can see, I can see NAS possibly coming here, coming down to this red little zone where price like to come to, as you can see. Come down here and then push right back up to the high. And possibly break the high. So that's gonna be what I think is gonna do. And that's where I think I'm gonna take my trade. I'm gonna take it there. So we got 29 minutes. 29 minutes for price to drop. And I take my trade here. Now if it dropped below this red line, below this red box, then I might not take a buy. But if it rejects this box, then I go ahead and take that buy to the upside. I want my stop loss below this rejection right here, where price pull back to push up. And if it decides to just push up, then I might just scalp it to the upside. So right here, if it decides to push past this key zone right here, then obviously it's probably gonna push up here anyway. But if not, if it don't do that, then I'll wait for it to pull down, give me a nice pullback to buy, take that buy to the upside. I feel like I got a cold, man. I feel like I have a cold coming. I don't know. I guess I just wait for it, huh? Look at US 30. Let me delete this crap. Better be careful, sweetie. That's the high. Go ahead and mark up my key zones on US 30. Boom. Okay. Let's see.
Hit that chart, watch the candles glow. Stacking up game, get my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, the pocket's getting heavy.
Alright, so I got the high and the low. The recent low.
I just play my lane. Profit in the bank.
Make that red.
This the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
I have some rejection here as well. Rejected off of that. Boom, start pushing up. Right.
Hit that close, now my pocket's getting
We're gonna go to 30 minutes. See what's on 30 minutes.
never get greedy, I just play my lane.
I just put lines there.
That's the name of the game.
Right here.
Stay tight, but the profit
Here.
gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun.
Price break out of that. And continue to push up to this green box. I can see that happening as well. So kind of like the same thing with NAS100 pushing up. Yep, I can see that. Trying to see what would be a nice pullback. That's what I want to see. What will be a nice pullback for US 30? Or will it even pull back? It might just push up. If anything, it might just push up. But let's say it did pull back, right? I think price could come back down here. It like to come down here and hit this line. So that would be something I can look for. Be a decent pullback. But if it drops below this line, then I say to this red box, price could come to before it starts pushing back up. And take it up to the high. When I'm trading that gold. Yep. That's how I feel. It's a buy for me. It's a buy for me. Looking for a pullback. Buy it to the upside. And boom. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Late nights grinding up, sip I don't lie. Every clip count is stacking up, slow compound that growth. Let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Loss is just less, there's profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts from the bottom to the top. And I don't think I'm gonna trade gold no more. I think I'm done with gold. Gold is the reason why my account is blown. it keeps moving up. Have this huge gap right here, and I'm thinking that gold is gonna push back down to closing the gap, right? But it didn't. Gold never pushed down to closing the gap. It never did. So I'm like, okay, well, maybe it's gonna start dropping here, right? So I took another sale today actually, and it just started moving up. I'm like, bruh, I think I took it right here. Well, right here, right in this area, and it just started pushing up again. I'm like, bro, you gotta be kidding me. So I said, you know what? Cool. You don't gotta push up. You don't gotta push up at all. But I am gonna delete you. I don't think I want to trade gold no more. Gold just kind of pissed me off. That's why I don't like trading gold. I just don't. I don't like trading it, and especially it's on the rise. Just keep pushing up. I don't like the way it's moving. I don't like the way it moves at all. I hate the way gold moves. So I'm just gonna stick to NAS and US30 for now. Unless maybe one day I probably go back to gold, but right now no. I just stick to NAS and US30. That's all I'm gonna stick to. Oh hell yeah. Hell yeah. Just wait. Got 21 minutes, so just wait those 21 minutes. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Set no one for 9:30.
I turned on your 9:30 a.m. alarm.
Alright. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wait. I wait till 9:30. I'm gonna step away from the chart for a little bit from the computer, and
no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story. I read and I flow from demo to live. Now the cash king go. Stars light up, I move with precision. Drip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it through racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins as well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story. I read and I flow from demo to live. Now the cash king glow. Markets on my mind, shots in my vision, profits on the grind, discipline steady, emotions on lock, Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stock. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how when I stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my head. From red days to green days, as part of the climb. It's a marathon, hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Started with 1400, now I'm chasing racks. Turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, cold in the frame. Wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, no sleep, I don't lie. Every clip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. The town low, vision stay high. In the corner, focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every pip count is stacking up, so compound that growth, they gon' know. Shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Yeah. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, no sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Hit that chart, watch the candles glow. Stacking up gains, yeah, my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. This stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. Get that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. This stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
Wake up early, markets on my mind. Shots in my vision, profits on the grind. Discipline steady, emotions on lock. Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stock. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Rest small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my head. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my head. Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how I win. I stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my head. From red days to green days, as part of the climb. It's a marathon, hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Charts light up, I move with precision. Kept stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it to racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's right from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to now the cash king glow. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king go. Charts light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it through racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green as a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green as a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Hit that chart, watch the candles glow. Stacking up gains, yeah, my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. Hit that close, now my pocket's getting heavy.
Yo.
Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game.
Hold up, let me
Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
yo. Alright, it looks like it broke above here, so of course it's gonna hit this green box today, but I wanna see if it's gonna pull back at 9:30. If it pulled back, then it'd be great to get in possibly at this red box or this line. But I think it's gonna go up today. I really think it's gonna go up today. So but what's good, y'all? What's good? What's good? We got a new viewer, HSMF. Where you viewing from, buddy?
Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how when I stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my head.
Be nice for that pullback.
From red days to green days is part of the climb. It's a marathon, hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading.
Look at US 30. Okay. Okay, US 30 pulling back. I might just take US 30 instead of NAS. I say right here would be nice for US 30 and then a push back to the upside. What I'm going for, bro, I'm trying to find a pullback for either NAS or US 30. It look like US 30 might give me that pullback. So I think US 30 probably gonna push back up to the high today. So I'm planning on buying US 30. I was gonna buy NAS100, but NAS100 don't look like it's doing what I wanted to do. So I'm gonna go to US 30. And if US 30 puts down here, which is be a good demand zone, probably put my stop loss a little lower, probably right here. If US 30 puts down to this demand zone, then I can see it push back up to the high, and that's what I have for today, bro. That's all I'm thinking about US 30. NAS 100, it didn't give it to me, obviously, so I'm gonna probably trade US 30 today and take that buy to the upside. What do you want, baby girl? What do you want? What do you want? Here. Yeah, bro. So I can either wait for a price to push down here, but if it start pulling back to the upside, then I could just take it. I could just buy it, and hopefully it'll push to the high. Look at NAS100 one more time. Yeah. So yeah, US30 might be the trade today. Did you trade today, Haroon?
Success in my dreams, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story. I'll read and I'll flow.
I'm probably gonna have to manually buy it.
Now the cash can glow.
Yeah, I probably have to manually buy it. Just buy it. If it don't push down to this box, then it's just probably gonna keep pushing up. But I'm gonna wait a little bit. Yeah, bro, man. Gold just been destroying me. So at this point, bro, I kind of gave up on gold. I'm done with gold. I thought it was gonna pull back because NFP, which was last Friday, it pushed all the way up. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's gonna pull back. So I kept selling it. Because I thought it was gonna push back, push back down, but it didn't. It kept going up. I'm like, bro. So I'm thinking it's gonna push down today, and obviously it didn't. It just kept going up. So I said, all right, I'm done. I'm done with your gold. So I just kicked gold. I kicked gold to the curve, and I'm just gonna trade US30 and NAS for now. Cause I do good with NAS and US30. But gold, I just really never really liked gold. I just didn't. So I really hope it pushed down to that box, that demand zone. That'd be great. That would be an awesome trade. Push down here, then a possible push to the upside. That'd be great. But it might do that, so I'm gonna put my alerts right here, just in case it do come down there. Take a look at NAS. Yeah, NAS already pushing up there. That's okay. I just focus on US30 then. Can y'all hear me good? Or is it still like breaking up in pieces? Like, can y'all hear me good? Let me check the stream. I gotta check it.
Stacking up gains and my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline sharp, hands steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game.
Okay, cool. Great.
Daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this I'm trying to get this this prop firm funded account. I just switched over to this funded challenge because gold destroyed it. Literally destroyed my profit account. So I say, you know what? I'm not going to trade my real account. So I just kind of secured the bag and switched over to prop firm. Do anybody trade prop firms in here?
Chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green as a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold.
Oh, you lost $100 today? So I need to make it back. We gonna make it back, bro. We gonna make it back, bro. I'm telling you, we gonna make it back, bro.
Cash king status when I'm trading that.
I know it was gold, right? Gold got you. You have a 5K challenge? Okay. Who you have it with? Yeah, bro, me on challenge. Hell yeah, bro. So who you have it with? Are you with FTMO or who you have it with? Your challenge with? Cause we're gonna make that back, bro. We're gonna make that $100 back, bro. Yeah, bro. Gold is always getting me too, bro. Okay. So it's a prop challenge. Okay, good. Well, at least it's not your real money, man. And funding pips, yep. I was just about to go with funding pips, bro. I promise you I was. I was just about to go with funding pips. But I seen they cheap, but I heard they pay out too. Yeah, bro. I seen that FTMO was accepting U.S. traders. So I say, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead with FTMO. FTMO been in the game for like 10 years, bro, with prop firms. So I say I'm gonna go ahead with FTMO because I know they pay. You know, I know FTMO pays. Funding Pips also pays too. I had a 100K challenge with them. They pay pretty good. But yeah, bro, we're gonna get that back, bro. You don't gotta worry about that. We're gonna get that back. Hell yeah, bro. They have a special going on for $100 for the 10K challenge account.
Success in my trades, patience the key. No phone on the week, just strategy. Every candle a story. I read enough.
Yeah. Yes, sir. You can do it, bro. Both gonna be very successful one day, man. I'm telling you.
Every candle a story. I read and I flow from demo to live. Now the cash can go.
So I want to see what it's gonna do right here. Is it gonna reject, or is it gonna drop down to grab some liquidity and push up? Because it might. What it might do, it might drop a little more, like a little further down, probably down here, and then push up. But I want to see what it's gonna do. Yeah, one challenge at a time for me. Hell yeah, bro. One challenge at a time. Yes, sir. HSMF, where you from, bro? Perfect. I ain't gonna lie. That look perfect. Close up that gap, push up. Get into this demand zone, grab some liquidity, push up. Yeah, that looks perfect to me.
Wake up early, markets on my mind. Shots in my vision, profits on the grind. Discipline steady, emotions on lock. Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stop. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how I win. I stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, it's getting close, y'all. Getting close.
From red days to green days, as part of the climb, it's a marathon, hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Started with 1400, now I'm chasing racks, turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, gold in the frame, wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less than profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding off, sleep I don't lie. Every clip count is stacking up, so compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less, there's profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just a grind in the charts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear, cash king the name and the time is near. Third time over, vision stay high, ain't no gonna focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every clip count is stacking up, so compound that growth, they gon' know. Shortcuts here, just a grind in the charts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear, cash king the name and the time is near.
Let me see if it's going through.
1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less, there's profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low. But 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less, there's profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, no sleep, I don't lie. Every clip count is stacking up slow, compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K
Come on, US 30. Let's go.
discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less, there's profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts here, just a grind in the charts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear, cash king the name and the time is near.
motion, profits on the grind, discipline steady, emotions on lock. Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stop. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how I win. I stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my head. From red days to green days, as part of the climb, it's a marathon, hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Hit that chart, watch the candles glow. Stacking up gains, yeah, my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline sharp, hands steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. Get that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline sharp, hands steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. Started with 1,400, now I'm chasing racks. Turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, gold in the frame. Wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, no sleep, I don't lie. Every clip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Shortcuts here, just the grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Down low, vision stay high. In the corner, focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every clip count is stacking up, so compound that growth. They gon' know. Shortcuts here, just the grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near.
Is Trump speaking? I do not know. Let me see.
1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less if profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they don't know who I am. Draw down low.
I don't see nothing. Where you speaking now? I don't see anything.
Losses just less if profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they don't know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision's staying high. Late nights grinding, no sleep, I don't lie. Every good count.
Yeah, bro, still waiting, man. Still waiting.
From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less if profits.
I'm trying to get in US 30 at least down here. But I'm not gonna just get in it. I'm not just gonna get in US 30 like that. I wanna wait for, if price do come right here, I wanna wait for it to break this box and push right back up. That's what I wanna wait for, because it might grab some liquidity before it start pushing back up.
Charts light up, I'm over percent. Just like in daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it through racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's right from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No fun on the way, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to lit, now the cash king glow.
Okay, Nash, I see you. It would be nice if you had that pullback.
Patience the key.
But it is what it is, I guess.
Strategy. Every candle a story. I read and I flow. From demo to lit, now the cash
That look nasty right here. That looks horrible. Got some news this week.
Kept stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it through racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's right from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story. I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow.
I'm about to fix me some coffee. You better stop. Stop. She's not here. She's at work.
Chasing purpose, watch the metals unfold. Candle turn green, that's a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wings while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Shots on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profit, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green as the story unfolds. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Charts light up, I'm over precision. Feels like a day, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snap. From 1-400, flipped it to racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound on wins, that's rough from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No form on the weed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash can go. Charts light up, I move with precision. Flip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it to racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound on wins, that's rough from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash can grow.
Wake up early, markets on my mind. Shots in my vision, profits on the grind. Discipline steady, emotions on lock. Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stock. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profit. Every loss
I know it is.
back with a plan.
Like, dang.
On my journey with the mouse in my head.
Taking too long for me.
On my journey with the mouse in my head.
But sometimes you just gotta wait for the right trade. Can't force it.
before my eyes.
That's some good coffee right there.
Tied to the rules, consistency daily, that's how when I stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. Oh, oh, From red days to green days, as part of the climb, it's a marathon, hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Charts on fire, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold.
Look at NAS.
1400 now, chasing racks, turn a small account big, watch me run it back. NAS100 on the charts, gold in the frame, wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, no sleep, I don't lie. Every clip count is stacking up slow, compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just the grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Dark down low, vision stay high. Ain't no cutting focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every clip count is stacking up, so compound that growth, they gon' know. Shortcuts here, just the grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near.
Look at gold. Let me see it. What gold is?
1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less if profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low. But 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less as profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, no sleep, I don't lie. Every pit count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less as profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision, crucible, cash king, the name and the time is near.
Yeah. US30 doing something. Bias will be above. And just take it from here, all the way up, or TP1 right here, and TP2 be up here. You know what? I'm gonna label that right now.
Started with 1400, now I'm chasing racks, turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, gold in the frame, wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less as profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, no sleep,
Not yet.
don't lie. Every clip count,
I ain't buy it yet.
so compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big
I'm only gonna buy it if price do decide to start pushing up and it don't come down here, then I go ahead and just buy it. But I want to buy it down here, but if we can't get that, then I guess I will buy it above here. Because sometimes US30 don't push down to where you want it to push to. It'll just push up. But it would be better if price was to come down here, because down here is a whole bunch of rejection, so I don't see it pushing past this box. I really don't see it pushing past this. You look to the left, you see rejection right here. It didn't want to push down, just pushed up. So if price can get down here, it would be the best thing for US30 to do. But if it don't, then I would just have to buy above here, and hopefully it keeps going up. But the best trade would be down here, right up in here. But if it just start pushing up, maybe like right above here, then I just get in and have my stop loss below this box. I'm gonna try to just take one trade a day. If I win this one, I'll be up 10 wins on stream. I know it's taking a long time, guys. Sometimes the market do that, but patience is key.
Watch the candles glow. Stacking up gains, yeah, my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline sharp, hands steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. This stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. Get that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline sharp, hands steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Get up, baby, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold.
Well, maybe this should be TP1. This should be TP2. And that should be TP3. We'll change that. This is gonna be 2. This is gonna be 3.
Cash king status when I'm trading that gold.
And this is gonna be 1.
I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my
TP1 right there.
Charts on fire, the setup look green. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Charts light up, I'm over precision. Kept stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, slipped at the racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall into traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's right from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No fun on the week, just strategy.